Hey everyone, it's ABELI, and today we're doing another unboxing of the Universal Yum. We are doing it a little differently, camera angle. So leave a comment down below on whether you like this or how we used to do it. But let's get going. I'm really excited for another box. For those who have not joined us before, Universal Yums is a monthly subscription. It sends us different treats from all over the world every month, and so I'm very excited. I did notice though that it normally tells us here kind of a hint at where the box is from, but it doesn't have anything. So this is definitely a mystery box. Let's open it. And it looks like it is from home of the world's longest railroad, which is Russia. So it comes with a piece of paper that tells a little bit more about Russia. Then on the back, it has our scorecard for each of the treats, as well as some treats that didn't make it into the box. Basically asks if you would try it or not, and then you can vote on upcoming boxes. And it also has a little booklet that gives a little bit of more description on the treats that are in there, as well as fun facts about the country. And a lot of times it has some sort of recipe. This one has beef stroganoff, which is a very popular dish in Russia. All right, so let's see what the goodies are. So we have first mushroom croutons. Very interesting. Not a huge mushroom person, so I'm gonna be curious to see how mushroomy they are. I'm curious. And then some sort of chips. It looks like it's almost like a kebab type of chip. I can see there. Sometimes it does say on the back a little bit, but it doesn't look like it does. So that will be interesting. I am guessing though it's some sort of kebab type of. The next one is another kind of chip, and it looks like it's a cheese chip. It has different cheeses on the bag. So maybe it's like a Cheeto, maybe, without like the texture of the Cheeto. So that one will be very curious. So next up, we have, these are gummy candies. They are vanilla, caramel, and strawberry. That is very, they definitely feel like gummies. Up is a candy coated wafer with cocoa cream filling and nuts. Oh, that sounds good. I always like a good wafer, and all of the other items, cocoa cream filling. I like nuts. I'm excited. So, looks like another wafer of some sort. It doesn't actually give me the English version this time, but like I said before, I like a good wafer, so if it's anything like that, I'm excited to try it. Next one, a chocolate bar, and it's like the flavor is milk pear. That will be interesting. Never had pear flavor chocolate. I'm definitely curious. Big box. It's orange and vanilla sweet cookies. That sounds really good, actually. I always like the like orange sickle type cookies that you can get from, I think it's the Girl Scouts. So maybe that's lemon. But I know I've had orange cookies before and they were excited to try these out. Next up, this looks like a pastry. It's gingerbread with orange filling. That actually sounds really good. Another orange flavor. And down to the last couple here. And this one is wafers with nutty cream. So it definitely looks like a wafer, kind of like individually wrapped a little bit. So I'll be curious to see what it actually like. On the side here it says Crunchy Miracle times 2 crunchy bars. So very curious. It always comes with a yum bag. So the yum bag is usually a couple different items, like little pieces of candy that they have found. So it's a mystery. So we don't normally open it on this unboxing. I like to keep it a secret so that way when we open it up, it's a little more fun for us. But keep watching my social medias so that way we can see exactly where we open them. And the last thing in here, another candy bar, is white and extra almond candy. I like a good white chocolate bar. So I'm excited about that, and I like almond chocolate bar. Well, I'm excited to try each and every one of these. They all sound very good and intriguing. I'm still very curious on those mushroom chips. So like I said, make sure that you keep an eye out for our social medias to see which ones we liked, which ones we didn't like, our weirdest choice, and our overall reaction. And hit that like and subscribe button if you like these type of videos. And again, leave a comment down below on whether or not you like the style of this unboxing, or if you think I should go back to the old way. Anyway, thank you everyone and have a good day.